how do you download apps with your fingerprint on the iPad? Let me show you how we can set this up. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything. So on this iPad mini, where we have the fingerprint reader on the power button, meaning that it is the biometric way of authenticating myself. In this case, all I have to do is to open up settings and in the left panel, find the Touch ID and passcode section. And this is the place where you can set up the passcode as well as fingerprint for various different purposes. So you can see that if you have never used it, you can add one right here, but I have already added my fingerprint in here. The important part for me right now is to make sure that the features for which I can use it are all turned on, especially the iTunes and App Store, because if I want to download apps using my fingerprint, it means that this has to be turned on, and I will have the ability to just, scan my finger and the app will be downloaded. Of course, you can as well tap on add a fingerprint, tap your new finger. So if you're using left index finger, you can add the right one or so on. And you can add as many as you want, I believe up to 5. So that's how it works. And then you can open up the App Store, locate any app of your choice. And when you download it, you will get the question of authenticating yourself, right? And you will then have the ability to scan your fingerprint in order to confirm the purchase and get the app like this without the actual password. So I hope it helps. That's the whole guide behind it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, and if you like this video, just hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the future videos as well.